From now on, the company owner and managers will be able to check the activity of employees by clicking the Employee Activity link in the menu. The application collects data about users' activities and saves logs, which are presented here. Individual columns mean action. In this column, the system shows the type of action performed, reading such as displaying a list of vacations, changing, deleting, or creating a new record. In general, an up arrow means that something was uploaded to the server and written to the database. A down arrow means that we only had a read of the data. A request time shows the moment when the activity was performed, and employee shows the name of the employee. Description. Here we have a clear description of the action performed, including translations into different languages. API address. This may be less important information for the client, but from a technical point of view, it is important. For example, if we need to explain out something. Method. This is also more technical information, but easy to understand. Get means fetching data from server, put, patch as changes, delete as removing, create as creating a record. In the description column, there is anyway information about what happened, so it will be easy to determine what the method refers to. Next to the name of the method, you will find two types of icons. Curly brackets means that parameters were used in the API request. Database icon means that in given request the user has sent some data and they have been saved. That is, for example, when creating a vacation request or when changing employee data, etc. This allows us to see who made changes and what was changed. At the top we have filters. A manager can filter by the name or email of a specific employee from his department. The owner additionally can filter by the selected department. The manager does not have a department selection because the manager can only see his own and his employees' logs from his department anyway. Let's get to the details. Here, as I said, we have additional information stored in the log. The beginning is the same as in the list and contains basic information about given activity performed by the employee. Below we have the request parameters, which you can expand for yourself. They may not look very friendly, however, from the point of view of possible explanation of changes, they are important. Here, for example, the user has displayed a list of leave requests with pending status, which are awaiting approval from the manager. It is similar in the request parameters. If we write something on the selected record, in the logs we record the data that the user sent to the system. In this example, an employee record was updated with the data as seen here in the video. Both parameters and data are displayed only if they have been sent. Otherwise, we do not show them and we do not clutter the details view. Related logs. This is an interesting feature that I managed to implement, and it shows what was happening to a particular object. In this case, with employee, as you can see, its details were displayed several times, and once the employee's data was changed at the 11, 13 and 32 seconds. This gives us a full picture of the activity on the selected object, in this case on particular employee.